Hey everybody, today we have a 2012 Dodge Journey, and on this car we're going to put a battery in it. So what's really funky about this car is the battery is actually in the front left side of the car in front of the wheel. So we have to take this panel off. It's got all these different types of clips. So we have to take out this clip, these two clips, and all the way up to get this panel off. So let's get the panel off and we'll show you how to do it. All right, after you get all of the 8 clips out, then this panel will pull down, and then there's the battery there. You have a 13 millimeter here that you unscrew, and then you have the 2 terminals here. Trying to see, you always want to disconnect the negative one first, and this is the positive and that's the negative. So the negative has a 10 millimeter there that you can get in there with a socket. You can unplug this to make it easier. Go ahead, unplug that. And so you want to disconnect that one first and lift up, and then you want to take and disconnect that one and lift that up. Take this nut off, and then this crossbar will come out, and then you can finagle it out. All right, to get the hold down out of this, you have the 13 millimeter nut, and then this rod sits in there like this. So you have to turn it this way and then bend it down, and it will come out. And then the other piece would not come out. So what we did is we just tucked it way up there, and then we just slid the battery out. So now to put it back together, you just take your battery, make sure your positive is, make sure your positive is on this side, because this is the positive. You slide your battery back in, you put your positive on first, then the negative, and then you're going to drop this piece back down, put your other piece in, and put everything back together. All right, well, we got to get on this one to get this one finished because we got another car to get in here. That's how you put a battery in a Dodge Journey. It's in the left front under the headlight. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.